Hi, to pair your QCY T1C with PC or laptop as a first step, we will need to take them out of the charging case and they should automatically go into a pairing mode. You should see that those indicators on each of the earbud are blinking white. And now we can just open settings on our laptop. From here, make sure you selected Bluetooth and devices settings. And now let's turn on Bluetooth by clicking on this switcher so we got this status on now. After that, we will need to click on this blue button Add Device. Let's do it. Then click on Bluetooth. And now you should see the name of your device in this Bluetooth list. And yep, here it is. We just need to click on it to select, wait a couple of seconds. And now they appeared with laptop because we can see this status connected. We can also close this window and we can check it in our Bluetooth list. So you can see its battery percentage and status connected microphone and audio. If you cannot see the status connected microphone, then you will need to go in this System tab. From here, choose Sound section by clicking it. And now make sure that in this Output tab, you selected headphones and that in input you selected your headset as well just by clicking it. And now just go in Bluetooth and devices and now you can see this connected microphone status. So once you paired your QCY T1C with your PC or laptop, they should connect automatically each time you take them out of the charging case. And to disconnect them, just click on the three dots, then click disconnect, and after that you can also remove this device. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.